episode. I don't know.
Experiment.
Experiment.
What are we gonna do today?
Make explosion with.
So what do we need to make the explosion?
We need vinegar.
Vinegar, okay. There you go.
Means I can't remember what this is.
Lemon
things?
juice.
Lemon juice. Put a tape on and then write what you're gonna do with the bottle.
Yeah.
Here it says mix. Here it says lemon juice.
Okay.
Here it says vinegar.
Okay.
And
So,
let's go.
what
And
else do we
then
need?
You need the vinegar,
No,
Like
baking
this.
soda.
baking soda to explode.
Okay, so
You get,
let's do it.
And then you need food coloring. And don't forget to have the rag.
To clean up your mess.
Also, don't forget a tray.
Tray, yeah. All right. Okay.
My brother's gonna come here a second.
Okay,
Also,
so
also don't forget a spoon so you can scoop the vinegar.
Vinegar.
That's
Yeah.
Put the vinegar in.
And then there we go. And then Henry will put the lemon
Lemon
juice on the other bottle.
Yeah. It tastes bad. And
It
vinegar
smells bad.
tastes a bit bad.
Smells bad. So you're gonna fill half of a bottle.
But don't drink the vinegar.
Do not drink the vinegar.
Don't
That's
try
a very
to. Don't even try to drink it. We're done.
Next, we're gonna put the food
Food coloring.
coloring to make it more
Black.
interesting. So what color do you want to put?
You can have. I'm gonna put black into this one.
Okay. Put.
Oh. So where do I put mine?
You know, put more. Yeah.
Where am I gonna put mine?
Wherever Henry do. You want.
In this one? In this one?
Yeah.
I can put it in this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe.
Put more. Okay. So.
Okay.
Right now, so this is where the magic happens, right? We're gonna put the, what do you put in the bottle to make the
Yeah.
explosion?
What's the spoon? Vinegar?
No,
Baking soda.
baking soda.
Bacon.
So you're gonna put the baking
But
soda.
be careful
into-
when you put it inside.
So we're gonna see the effect of the explosion. You're gonna do more than that, Henry. You're gonna put more than that. More. Lots. One heap of tablespoon. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Then put the other one.
And some. Oh! The explosion! Yellow is not working. That's my vote. The black one stopped.
Do not touch the mix. Okay.
Don't touch. This one stopped.
You can put more of the baking soda into.
It's
the
not
mix.
really mixing.
So which
that
one
much.
is the fastest? The make the biggest explosion? Which one? The vinegar one, the lemon juice one, or the mix
The lemon juice
liquid?
one.
The lemon juice one? No, this
Yeah.
is the vinegar.
Yeah, the black one.
Oh, it's just
Put in the yellow one. Oh, it's going.
Oh, it's-
Oh my gosh! The yellow one's going everywhere.
slowly, Henry. You put the baking soda everywhere.
The black one. Oh yeah, the black one stopped too. The yellow one's
I'm
never
just
getting.
putting a lot into the black one. Okay, I
Yeah.
think we're done, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you say to your friends?
Good. I dropped some.
Okay, guys.
Please subscribe and like. Please, and or smash the like button.
So which one is the make the biggest explosion? The vinegar, the
Okay.
lemon juice, or the mixed one, mixed liquid?
Vinegar.
I think the vinegar made the biggest explosion, and lemon juice second, and the third one is going slowly. Yeah,
Oh,
the
what
mixed
is
one.
it?
Don't touch that. Okay.
Don't touch
Say
it.
bye bye.
Bye.
What do you say? Don't forget to.
Subscriber.
No, don't forget to clean up your mess.
Don't forget to clean the soap. Goodbye.